how simple and easy it is to be present. And we all know that being present requires no practice. In fact, if you practice presence, you won't be present. It's a gentle remembering. And many of you have heard me say this, but I'm going to say it again for the people who haven't heard me. The word remembering is very important. Gently remember to bring yourself present with something that's already in the moment with you. If you can see it, hear it, feel it, taste it, touch it, or smell it in this moment, it means it's really here. You can be present with it. The moment you're truly present with something that is here, you come out of the past and future world of the mind, thoughts stop, now you're present. And of course, now you're present, you can also relax and become more and more finely attuned into presence. It's the same thing, it's just a little more finely tuned into presence. But the word remember, the way I use the word is not the same way that other people use the word. I use it as re-member. It's very difficult to explain this one in China. Remember. Now, if you want to know what I mean when I use the word remember, you really have to go to the word dismember. And when you take something that's whole and complete and you cut it and separate it into parts, you are dismembering it. Is that a fair statement? And the way I use the word remember is a reversal of that process. Here's one part, there's the other part. In the remembering, oneness is restored. And remembering is not a practice and it's not something you do. It's something that occurs instantly the moment you remember or you become aware you're not present, present. That's all it is. You notice you're not present, present. It's instant. It can't occur a moment from now. And what are you present with? It doesn't matter. Anything that's here, anything that you choose to be present with, because you're a free being. You can be present with something right now, and now, and now. I can be present with the flower and include the sound. I could also include my body breathing. I could close my eyes and just be present with my body breathing. I can do a zoom shot and I'm just present with you. Or I can do a wide angle shot and I'm present with everything. I can sense the space in the room, all the beings in the room, including the flowers. Right now, I'm here present with you, but I'm also aware of my hands moving and I'm aware of the flowers just on the peripheral of my vision, but they're here. The microphone is here. Or I can narrow it down, now I'm here. Even though I'm present with you, I've focused it in, I'm still aware of the microphone and the flowers and everyone else, but now the focus is here. I can relax the focus, now it's here. I can close my eyes and be very present with the body breathing. Or the sound. Or the feeling of the chair against my back. A gentle remembering.